When is Dad coming home?
Very soon, buddy.
I want to show Dad my drawing.
He'll love it, sweetheart.
Can we play outside, Mom?
After your homework is done. Oh, that's my phone. Hello? Yes, this is Amy. What? Is he okay?
What's wrong, Mom?
We'll come right now. Thank you.
Mom, what happened?
Is something wrong?
Your dad had an accident.
An accident?
Is Dad okay?
He hurt his arm.
Where is he?
He's at the hospital. The doctors are helping him.
Can we see him?
Yes, we'll go now. Get your shoes on.
Is Dad going to be okay?
Don't cry, Lily. I'm scared too.
Dad needs us now.
We're coming, Mom. How did Dad get hurt?
Something fell at work.
Does it hurt him?
Yes, but doctors are helping. We're here.
The hospital is so big. I don't like hospitals.
I know, sweetie. We're here for Ben Watson. Room 215, second floor.
What if Dad is really hurt? Don't say that.
Dad will be okay. But he needs our love.
Which room is it?
215 right there.
I'm scared to go in.
He wants to see you.
Will Dad look different? His arm is in a cast.
Dad!
Daddy!
Hi, my loves. I'm okay.
Your arm is broken.
Yes, but it will heal.
Does it hurt really bad?
It hurt, but I'm
I
better.
was so scared.
Come here, sweetheart.
When can you come home?
Tomorrow morning.
We'll all
I missed you both. We missed you too, Dad.
So much. I made you a drawing.
Really? This is beautiful, Lily.
It's our family. Can I sign your cast? Oh,
That's a great idea.
Here's a marker.
Thank you. I'll write my name.
Perfect, buddy.
Can I sign too?
Of course, sweetheart.
I'm drawing a heart.
I love it.
Can I sign too?
I love that. Now I have my family on my arm.
We're always with you, Dad.
Will you tell us how it happened?
When we get home tomorrow.
We should go home soon.
Come back tomorrow morning.
I don't want to leave you.
I'll be here waiting. You both were so brave.
We were really scared though.
Being brave means being scared but still coming.
We'll always come for you.
Bye, Dad.
Bye, kids.
See you tomorrow, Daddy.
See you tomorrow.
Dad looked better, right?
Yes, he smiled at us.
Can we make Dad breakfast tomorrow?
That's a wonderful idea.
Let's make his favorite.
Pancakes with blueberries?
I'll help mix.
I'll put the blueberries in.
Tomorrow, Dad comes home.
We can't wait.
You know what I learned today?
What, Mom?
Family stays strong together. Even when we're scared. Especially when we're scared.
Dad will be home tomorrow.
We'll take care of him.
just like he takes care of us.
These pancakes are delicious.
We made them for you. Welcome home, Dad.
We're so glad you're here.
We are so lucky. Always strong together.
I love our family.
My phone is frozen too.
The internet is down. I'm bored already.
Me too.
The power company says it's down all day.
All day? No internet today.
What? No!
What will we do all day, A?
We'll figure something out.
This is the worst Saturday ever.
Let's have breakfast first.
I guess so.
When did we get so quiet?
We usually look at our phones.
I just miss our phone screens.
Do you want to play games?
What kind of games exactly, Tom?
I have a completely brilliant idea. I know they are here somewhere. Look, exactly what I found, guys.
What exactly are these old things?
They are classic old board games.
How exactly do you play them?
I will gladly teach you both.
Let us try playing this one.
That sounds like a great idea.
This is fun!
I'm winning!
When did we stop doing this?
I don't remember.
Can we play another game?
Let's play outside instead.
Great idea, buddy.
Can we play catch? Let's go.
Go! Good throw, Tom.
Thanks, Dad. Mom, can we bake something?
That sounds perfect. Let's make cookies.
Can I help mix? This is really fun, Mom.
I'm glad you think so.
I like playing with you, Dad.
I like it too, buddy.
Mom, why don't we do this more?
I guess we're always busy. Or on our phones.
Dad, look at that cloud.
It looks like a dragon. When did I stop looking at clouds?
Cookies are ready. These smell amazing.
Can I have two?
Best cookies ever.
I helped make them.
Today is actually fun.
Really? Can we go to the park?
Let's do it.
Should we bring the tablets?
No!
Look at that dog.
It's so cute.
They're actually talking to us.
And to each other.
Race you to the swings!
You're on.
When did we stop coming here?
Too long ago. Should we head home?
Not yet! Today was really fun.
The best Saturday ever. Can we play catch again tomorrow?
Absolutely, buddy.
Can we bake again too?
Every Saturday if you want.
The internet is probably back now.
Should we turn on our tablets?
I don't really want to.
Did you hear that?
They don't want that there's screens.
Can we play another board game?
Family game night.
Every night if you want.
I can't remember the last time we laughed this much.
Maybe no internet was a good thing.
It was the best thing.
Dad, I learned something today.
What's that, buddy?
Real life is better than screens.
Mom, can we have phone-free Saturdays?
That's a wonderful idea.
I like when we're together.
They're right, you know.
About what?
We need to look up more.
It's Saturday!
Phone-free Saturday!
Everyone put phones in the box.
Go play!
If you like this story, like and subscribe. Do you spend too much time on phones?